The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. I'm getting ready for a great day. Good afternoon, I'm Matt. Hope you're having a good day. Let's look at the markets overnight, shall we? We dipped and then we ripped. We're a dip ripper. Well, looks like on ES got down to 41.05, up to and just making new highs now. 41.23. That is the high of the day right now. So that's about 18 points in range. NQ, not quite at its high of the day. Looks like it dipped a lot lower on that candle there. Got down to 12,985. High of the day was 0.79. So went about 94 points in range. Hey, Sid, how are you doing this morning? Kappa. About 100 ticks in range. No, yeah, range. Gold. Still trying to show some strength. Had kind of a choppy day yesterday. About 13 points in range. Ultra Bond. About 3/4 of a point. Crude made a new high since I moved these lines about a half hour ago. About 1.25 range there. Last but not least, natural gas also made a new high since I moved the lines. About 60 ticks of range. Right underneath 28,000 on Bitcoin, and that's where we stand pullback there on the NASDAQ after touching 13,071. I'm doing all right, Sid. This is our last full trading day of the week. Tomorrow's gonna be a weird day. We have non-farm payrolls at 8:30 Eastern, and the market closes at 9:15 Eastern. So we're only gonna be streaming for like an hour tomorrow. So we gotta get in a good day today, because good chance that tomorrow I don't even take any trades, because the lead up to non-farm payrolls is usually kind of choppy. Then the reaction, volume's probably gonna be low because a lot of people aren't gonna be trading at all. So I'll stream. The only reason I'm streaming tomorrow is because it is non-farm payrolls, and that's always a fun event. But otherwise, I just would have slept in. Keep trying to pop back up here a bit. See, there's some good entries on the way up here. A bunch of good entries. This one ain't good. This one right here. That one wouldn't have been so good. That one would have been good. That one would have been good. See here on the 5-minute. Right there. That one wouldn't have necessarily been in my strength or my strategy because it was under the 20, but it would have been good. Let's move down here. Look at that beautiful, beautiful purple candle. Beautiful. Hey, afternoon, Nick. How are you today? Cool. I'm not a big golf fan. I know some of the names. I knew more of the names back in the day, but it used to be fun watching Tiger when he was in his prime. Nice move down there. The new scripts, I mean the bullish and golfing, I mean the bearish and golfing there. I'm gonna be studying that, see how many times I should be taking that new, the one that doesn't turn the candles a color. I'm going to see whether or not maybe we can add those to the automated script. If Matt's listening, he's like, grumble, grumble, grumble. Bound down to the 100. We've been seeing these bounces on the 100 work often to the point that I've started marking them in my back testing. Now here it just blew straight through on the way up. By the way, again, notice that this move started with a nice blue candle well away from price on a reversal. Yeah, they broke that 100 rather easily, heading on down. Head on down the road. See, they have good movement today. bounce there. Excuse me. Sorry. Normally I mute, but I didn't get to it in time there. Bounce there. Back above the 100, or trying to get back above the 100. Can it do it? It's riveting action. Kind of chopping around. We do have our normal Thursday news coming up in about 17 minutes, which is, of course, the jobless claims report. It's an every Thursday thing. Canadian unemployment as well, etc., etc. Then the only other bit of news this morning is we have a Fed speaker at 10. Hey, Deb, how you doing today? Kelly Lyons, welcome. See you just subscribed. Welcome to the channel. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Introduce yourself if you want to. No pressure. Yep, got a purple candle here. Where's my chart? It's smart to have the chart ready to go, huh? There we go. It's bopping between the 20 and the 100 here. This purple candle kind of bothers me. Granted, it's only a 3-point candle. A little bit bigger now, about 4 points. There we're in. Move my stop. Boom. Gives it 4 points. Yeah, 4-point stop. The target to 8 points. Math to 53, so 43, 45. Yeah, 45. Early morning math. There we go. Break at 100. Good morning, Robin. Yeah, but since it was exactly 4 points, I'm going for exactly 8 points. Yeah, for two, under 5 points, go for two times. I was able to do that math myself. I was able to do that one quicker than probably getting out the tool. Good point. Looking for 45. 45 half. How you doing today, Robin? You see, we have support here, 48, so it's got to break that support to get down to 45. Hey, John. Yep, jobless claims. How you doing today, John? Doing all right. I'll be doing even better if this continues to come down another 5 points. Broken that support, needs 2 more points. Hey, isn't your golf game soon coming up, John? That first golf game of the year? Have you gotten your doctor's clearance? Nice. So, do you enjoy watching golf too? Because Nick mentioned earlier the Masters, and we just hit our target. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. 53.50 to 45.50, 8 points. Start the morning. Thank you, Nick. Awesome, Nick. Really into taking because it was bopping right on that 100, but the fact that it came down, came back up and failed and came right back down gave me some reassurance. But either way, I just let the trade take. I just took the trade and let it go. Yeah, Nick said he's gonna be watching the Masters later today. Oh, We're getting another candle here. Let's see if it sticks again. Morning, Kevin. Oh, it went away from it. Well, it's gonna be one of these candles that's gonna. Well, maybe not. There's some strength down. Watch it here. Looks like it's gonna hold. Second trade in the last 5 minutes. What's my stop there? That's tight stop. It's already moving. Drawing tools. Risk reward. There we go. Boom. Looking for 34.75. I need to set up the thingy with the back tool right at my fingertips. Haven't done that yet. Got a lot of time this weekend to do stuff. Come on, beat that green candle back down. Beat down. Yeah, that's not good. Jobless claims in about 7 minutes. I like the wick on that candle. How you doing today, Kevin? Doing good, thank you. There's the push down. Come on. Got within 3 ticks of my target there. Come on, give me a little bit more. Really? Back to needing 4 points. Chopping around here. So 5 minutes till jobless claims. I mean, if this is still chopping around, then I'll probably jump out before that hits, or depending where it's at, just move my stop to break even at that point in time. And hopefully it'll get us resolution before then. That's what I was thinking. The books are probably thinning out already. This could get whippy. Let's back up to my entry. Hey Matt, how you doing today? Like the wick on that candle. Come on down. Just 3 more points. All I want is 3 more points. Is that too much to ask for? Hey JC, how are you today? So we're 2 minutes till news. Honestly, I thought this trade would get to either target or stop by now, and it hasn't. 3 more points is what I need. Seems to be running into a brick wall there at 37. Yep, coming back up. One minute to jobless claims. With 30 seconds to go, I'll get out of this trade. Out. So, ended up getting 3 ticks. Let's see if I should have, see what happens here in jobless claims. Wow. Okay, so that was a smart decision on my part. Whoa. Oh, whippy. We're up 10 points so far. And bouncing back down. Probably, if I had left that on, that probably would have ripped through my stop and gave me major slippage. Slippage. But now look at it ripping down. So, I mean, I could have stayed in if I had like a 20-point stop. Let's see what the numbers are. Jobless claims 228K. Expected was 200K. That's the first big miss on jobless claims in a long time. That was a purple candle there, a news candle. And by my rules, I would have needed like a 20 point stop after a news candle. So had the entry bot turned off. And we'll kind of chop it. Did hit that third Bollinger Band. Trying to pop back up. Yep, getting another purple candle here. So we'll give it a run. If it holds, it's kind of retreating here. Yep, going away for now. Yep, came back. Okay. There we go. Oh, ouch. Well, stopped out. And that was a 10 point stop. So that probably just wiped away my profit for the day. That was really whippy. I should have waited at least 5 minutes, I guess, after the news. Ouch. So 2 wins, 1 loss. The loss, unfortunately, bigger than the 2 wins. Just ended up being that way. It sometimes can be that way with the strat. Should have waited around, for the news to settle down some. And of course, I could have taken this short, and I would still be in that because that would be the stop way up there. But yeah. That would only be a 23-point stop. Coming back down, whipped up, took me out, back down. Pushing right back down. $13,000. Well, a couple hours ago. Got down to 12,985. Getting another purple candle. That went away that time. Back to green. Well, thank everyone for being here this morning. We're about 50 minutes until the bell. Last full day of trading for the week. As always, feel free to join us in the chat. Questions, comments, well, always welcome. If you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And trying again with the purple. Got 30 seconds. See if it holds. Why did my chart go away? There we go. I was supposed to. My Philly's supposed to have their home opener today, but they already called it and changed it till tomorrow. Hey, Speed Racer. So we're in here. Drawing tools, risk reward. Boom, to boom. Oops. Boom. 1.5. Y. Okay. So move it down. Looking for 13.011. This is a 12, a little less, like 11 3/4 stop. Stops me out, going down kind of big. But to the victors go the spoils. Actually, 13.1075. Not liking this stair step up, back up toward that 20 EMA. Need some red here. Purple would be good too. There we go. Ask and ye shall receive. Nope, come on. Oh, give me some red. About back at my entry point, but definitely not in a hurry to go anywhere. There we go. Maybe now it's starting to get in a hurry. Big wick down after the news got down to 20. I'm looking for 10 points beyond that. Oh, back up. Choppy around 13.030. Where does she want to go? The answer so far is nowhere fast. There we go. You know, before it used to be when I was in a trade, my hand was always on the mouse. Even though I tell myself I'll let the trade play out, I was always on the mouse ready to hit a close button for whatever reason. I'm not even sure why, you know. And now I just sit here and spectate it, take my hand off the mouse. Having my hand on the mouse, or especially if I had it on the close button, sometimes got me out of good trades just by accidentally hitting the button when I didn't mean to. Having that death grip on the mouse. Don't like seeing a blue candle. I'll have a blue. Whatever I chop it. It's broken the 20. Didn't sustain above it. Now it did. Not looking good here. Morning, Ace. How you doing today? I'm doing all right. Yeah, if it's gonna flush, it needs to like do it soon for me. There we go. Oh, it was a purple candle for a second. Nope, back to green. Crap. Hey, Leonardo. Yeah, just kind of chopping around. Not going my direction though. That that's more like it. It's not re-breaking the 20 yet. It's trying. Got about 8 minutes until, oh, yeah, 8 minutes till the top of the hour. Look at that, back to my entry. Or just about. There we go. The old me would have cut this trade right here when it popped back up that blue candle and got above the 20. I would have taken the loss, said next. Now we did just get down to 20 again, which was the low of this candle here after the news. So I do gotta watch and make sure that's not gonna be a major support area. Looking for 10. 13.010. Over the weekend, I'm going to be going through data to look to see whether or not moving the stop after a second trigger candle to the top of that trigger candle is a good idea or not. A quick look last night as I was doing charting on a couple of days, it looked like it's good, but I didn't track it enough to say it's more than observational data. We've broken 20, down to 18, looking for 8 more points. Been in this trade now for 13 minutes. Top of the hour's 5 minutes away. By the way, again, tomorrow we'll only be streaming for an hour since the market closes at 9:15. And if you trade anything else besides the equity indices, looks like don't even bother turning on your computer tonight. Looks like gold and oil don't even open tonight. They're closed the entire time. Crawling back up this candle some. If non-farm payrolls wasn't happening tomorrow, I would have just not streamed at all. Can it give me 7 more points? Yeah, there's another purple candle trying to form. did. The blue candle. So again, now I'm going to be studying whether or not I should, once this other purple candle forms, should I put my stop there? Oops. Yeah, five. Good point, man. Big blue. Top of the hour is a minute away, or less than a minute away, and we usually gets a little whippy then at the 9 o'clock hour. So we'll see. Every fiber of my being honestly wants to take this trade off the table, but I'm letting it go. Now, if I had put my stop at the top of that candle, it would have taken me out here. Coming back down. Energies markets are opening. We're not going to watch those right now. Pushing down. That, don't like that wick though. Got down to 13, so I got within 2.5 points of my target. Back up to 17 though. Definitely struggling here. Been in this trade for 20 minutes now? Yeah, 20 minutes. Ah, blue candle. Big blue candle. Coming back down. Nah. At this point, they might be taking me out in an ambulance if I'm waiting another half an hour for this to resolve. Sitting here, 13,020 now, 21. Excuse me. Back down. Thank you, Nick. Looky there, came back down below that big blue candle. There we go. Getting momentum again. There we go. Come on. Come on. 2 more points. Three more points. Don't be shy. Get a little closer. Two more points. 4 more points. Looking for 10.75. It is literally 2 points away. Now it's 1 point away. So close. Oh my god, really? Come on. It was a tick away. It was a tick away. Push down. Come on. There should be a time limit on trades. Once you're done, after 20 minutes, it's done. Wow, it got within 1 tick and watch it crawl all the way back up. Come on. Still trying. Still only 4 points away. Everybody on the edge of their seats here. Another push down. Another push down. Back to within 2 points. Target hit. Boom. Wow. Sorry about screaming in your guys' ears. 17-point trade. Wow. Woo. The old me would have been so out of that trade several different times. I wanted to move the stop several times. I just let it go. Thank you, Speed Racer, IMAD, JC. That was a 26-minute trade. Thank you, Deb. Thank you, Leonardo. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Nick. Just as I said, thank you. Yeah, you deserve a lot of the credit. There's no way 2 or 3 weeks ago I would have stayed in that trade. I would have jumped out here for the loss. Then maybe I would have jumped back in, but after taking the loss, I might have just stayed out and not taken that second purple candle. Now, I will say that strategy of possibly moving the stop to the top of a purple candle would have took me out of that trade right there for a lot less profit, like 10 points less profit. So definitely need to study that to see how often that happens compared to just letting it roll. Great. Thank you, John. No, but you're getting me to execute my strategy. As we sit 20 minutes to the bell. Riveting action there. Riveting action. By the way, that only went 2 more ticks below my target. Now it's trying to come back down again, but yeah. Oh, that's pushing back down. Thank you, Pamela. Appreciate it. By the way, guys, you might need to hit your live button at times. It seems like my upload speed's not great today for whatever reason. I have to keep hitting my live button that keeps trailing by a few seconds. It's still popping down now. Thanks, Robin. And I do got to give IMAT some credit there as well. You know, I was going to stay in the trade no matter what, but he pointed out the 5-minute chart to me. And here's the 5-minute chart. And you can see this big purple candle here. And so that would have been an indication if I had been watching the 5-minute to get into a trade on based on the 5. And that also gave me confidence to hang in with that trade. I would have hung in either way, but that helped settle my nerves just a tad. 5-minute chart's sending another one, but I'm not playing the 5. We're out 15 minutes till the bell. Oh boy, we're getting a purple candle. It's a small purple candle. It went away for now. Back to green. Back to red. Back to purple. It's like Christmas lights. Very small candle. Nope. Went away. Away, away. Getting down close to 13,000 even here. Well, overnight was 985. CES, a little bit further to go for its low, 4105. It's at 4108, so about 3 points away there. So real quickly, see what did crude do at its open. Didn't really do much. Bouncing off its 100 there. Totally been ignoring the Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond chart looks ugly. NQ's trying to pop up a little bit. Down to 13007. I am still kind of amazed at myself that I held that trade, honestly. Oh, now we're getting a purple candle. That one looks a little more. Yeah, that one's wicky. I don't like it. We'll take it. It's a 6-point stop. $1.5. Apply. Okay. There it goes. So looking for just under 300. Yeah. Just under 13,000. Where did I get 300 from? Basically looking for 7 points. And stop. I have to stop one tick off. Oops. Now it's one tick the other way off. There we go. Yeah, I lost my chat window. There it is. Does it have more downside to it? $10 to go to the bell. Here's our low of the day. That 985. Yeah, it's popping back up here. This trade did not give me the warm and fuzzies. It's because I had wicks on both sides. Wicks on both sides of a trigger. Big wicks often are iffy. Point for my stop. That gets beaten back down as it gets near that 20. Hey Jay, going all right? Had a big win just a few minutes ago. Seven and a half minutes to the bell. This one is not looking good. Oh, there we go. Looks better now. Yeah. And I mean, within 10, if it was 5 minutes to the bell, I would be flat. 10 minutes, I let it, I let it take the trade. We'll see what happens. If we're still in the trade, as we get close to the bell, I'll close it like I did with that trade right before non-farm payroll, unemployment report. But look at that, nice move down. Looking for a break of 13,000 here. My target's at 12,999 half. Pushing. Yep. Ooh, big bounce. Got down to 13,002.25. Back to my entry. Blue candle, not a good sign. Yep, ouch. Back close to my stop. Got a head of steam there too. Touches the 20. 20 is like a... Yeah. Oh, wow. Really? Again, it gets pushed back down after hitting that 20. I thought for sure I was a goner there. Boom, purple candle. Come on, it's really whippy now though. Let's hope it whippies in my direction. Whippies in my direction. Yeah. You never know what's going to come out of my mouth. Thirteen zero zero five. Back up to my entry. Four minutes to the bell. Back to green. I mean, green candles. I mean, the trade is red. If the trade is still alive, with 1 minute to go, I'll cut it then. And we got 3 minutes to go to the bell. It's just hanging right on my entry. Back to the 20. Ooh, ouch. Big stop. I think, did I get slippage? No, it didn't get slippage there, but we did get stopped out. Now we'll stay flat for the bell. Surprising I didn't get slippage there. That burst. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? News already passed, Crypticon. We do have a Fed speaker at the top of the hour, though. Ding ding. Ding 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 ding. Quick push down. Big move down. And popping back up, you see ES once again showing divergence from NQ. Its candle is green. Ooh, whooshing now. Broke that 13,000 level. Of course I did now. And wow. Remember, 85 is the Globex low. It's down to 92. A 17-point candle. More now, almost 20. We're 2 points off that Globex low. Well into the Bollinger Bands. The third deviation band. There's the break of the Globex low. ES I don't think is there. Oh no, ES and NQ both making new lows. Wonder if this is going to be a sell-off kind of day with everyone getting out of their positions for the long holiday weekend. Remember, tomorrow, markets close at 8:15 Eastern. I'm sorry, 9:15 Eastern. But we have non-farm payrolls at 8:30 Eastern. Just falling for now. Our ATR is still only 7. That's how much we've been chopping around today. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Now, there's a purple candle, but I don't have the entry on yet. Give it a 5 to 10 minute space around the open. I mean, I've had a 13.5 point stop if I had taken that purple candle. So we needed about a 20 point target. We'll see if it gets it. Definitely seems to be falling here with no end in sight. Climbing back up that last candle. ES. Falling as well. No, I didn't see that. I looked at the American, but I didn't look at the Canadian. Wow. Oh yeah, I see that. Big bounce here. So this would have not worked. This would have stopped me out right there. So my idea of not taking a trade 5 minutes around the bell seems to be a good one. Whoa. Still trying to move down after a little bit of a pop. Got down to 57.5, popped back up to 84. So 27-point pop. Once you pop, you can't stop. Pop goes the weasel because the weasel goes pop. Trying to climb back up again. Trying to creep up. So down, up, down. Trying to find direction. Just kind of chopping around 970 here. Purple candle. Not sure how I feel about that, but it's got time. Retreating. Seven-point stop. 8-point stop. 12-point target. Needs to get below low a day though. Target's 52 half, low a day's 57 half. Can it do it? Nope. Ouch. Yeah, I did not have a good feeling about that candle. Ones that are just kind of here after chop, I was gonna turn it off. I should have. Oops, wrong button. Ah. Another purple candle. I am not taking anything here right now. Oh, thanks, Vibe. I'm waiting till it's out of this chop. Still trying to push down. Yeah, this is ugly chop. Watching and waiting. It's close to what my profit target would have been there. Yeah, bounced again. Down to 55, which is the new low day. Another purple candle. 5 minute also sending me a purple. So here we go again. Not feeling it. Oh, went away. Hey, I'll take it. Didn't make me make a decision. I mean, I was gonna let it go anyway, but I was ready. Nah. We're still so choppy here. Stronger candle up. That's gonna possibly take the long here. That's a big candle. Up, back below the 20. Nope, not a trigger. So blue candle below the 20, not a trigger. I would have been a 10-point stop, 15-point target. We'll see whether or not it would have worked. Got about an hour, a little more than an hour to go in the stream. So still some time for opportunity. Another possible golfing can. Nope, went away again. Let's try him. I'm failing. Alright. I didn't realize ES was at that even number. Hey, Jake. Good to see ya. Getting a purple. That purple's more convincing than the blues have been. Ah, that purple went away right at the last minute again, or last second, I should say. Oh, no, it did not. Wow. Came back at the last second. That's going to be a bad trade. Three-point stop, 6-point target. Oh, Kind of hitting that same area of support. Yeah, but he made Dogecoin go up. Don't you have Doge, Jake? Target hit. So like I said, that's going to be a good trade. That was 6 3/4 points. Yeah, I exited out of all my crypto positions yesterday. Thank you, Chris. Good morning, Chris. So now, using the bot to enter the trades, that was one I would not have been entered because it was like fluctuating between a trigger and not a trigger, and there was no way I would have been personally fast enough to process the fact that it went to being a trigger candle within like the last 3 seconds before the candle closed. About minute charts sending triggers. Right, pushing down here. Another new low day on NQ. ES. Ace got his 2 points. There. Ooh, look at that bounce. Healthy bounce. That's a 30-point bounce. Wow. 2 points can feed a family. No, Ace, he was asking you if you're done for the day after your 2 points. Yep, he said he's gonna go make waffles. Notice he no longer offers to make us breakfast. He just points out that he's making waffles and leaves. And Ace, I'm really upset. RJ promised to stop in and he hasn't. He hasn't been here all this week. Great job, John. Yeah, I know. I'm just joking around. I'm happy he's happy. But no, he's not with grandkids, Ace. He's with his other family. He went to visit the new family. Yeah. Ooh, look at this move. So off this blue candle, that was a beautiful move up. That's kind of a trigger for me that I've been watching as well. And wow, back above 13,000. You see, ES also sent me one of those blue triggers. I have not started taking that trade yet. It's still in testing mode. But you can see that would have been a darn good trade. Up 40 points. Easily broke that 100. Although it's fading now. What's gold doing? Oh wow, gold's really fallen. Take it you shorted gold, John? Well, that beautiful candle there. That would have been beautiful. Beautiful. That's what that have been. I have trouble typing on a phone just sitting in a chair. But I have big fat fingers and those are little buttons. Still rising. Good call by Jake, who said he thought NQ is going to continue to rise. We'll get into this resistance level right back from back here where it came down, pushed up. This was right before the open. This is what stopped me out of that trade right before the open. And then whooshed down. So let's see if it breaks through. It's trying to. ES just tickled its 100. It's still underneath of it. Pulling back. Big pullback. This is a 17-point candle back below the 100. ES is back down to its 20. So it's kind of a bounce off of ES's 100. We're kind of in no man's land here between the 20 and the 100. Oop, back up. Hanging around 13,000. Again, reminder tomorrow we'll only be streaming for an hour since the market closes at 9:15 Eastern. But We got non-farm payrolls at 8:30 Eastern. So it's going to be a quick and, you know, quick reaction to NFP and then gone. And I have a feeling the NFP reaction is going to be bigger than normal because I think the book is going to be thinner than normal. Good chance I don't even take any trades. Good chance I'm just streaming it. Yeah, it closes early for Good Friday at 9:15 Eastern time. 7:15 your time, Ace. Oh, big rise. So we had that one big pullback and then whoosh. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes, we've gone from 9:53 to 0:26. It closes 9:15 Eastern. So like 15 minutes before the normal bell. Yeah. Basically, it's open for non-farm payrolls and closes 45 minutes after non-farm. 45 minutes after non-farm payrolls. ES is broken. It's 100. 5 minute NQ has tickled its 100. Kind of hanging above now, taking a breath. It's flirting with a bullish engulfing here. Oh, crap. It's going to be one. We're in. Stops right where it's supposed to be. Just need to move the target up. This is looking bad. Really bad. Not as bad. Yep, back to bad again. Stopped out. Yeah. I did not like that candle there at all. Really? Again? It's got more room now, I guess. We're in again. And this time it's working. Didn't have time to grab the tool because it was moving fast. But I think it was 13 points on a 9-pointer. Target hit. Boom. Wow. See, okay, so I took the loss on that one, and then I really didn't want to take that one, and I did, and there we go. That was a 13.5-point winner. And it was moving so quick that I didn't even have time to do the tool. I just did it by quick math. Now, so we'll see whether or not that was, if my quick math was right. I'm still gonna, I like the tool, but I'm still gonna make up a cheat sheet that gives me the quick numbers. 23.75. Oh, wow, I hit that exact. 31 half. So it's 31 ticks. I would have needed 47 for half. Actually, my target was bigger than what I needed it. So I got more out of that trade by doing my quick math. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Leonardo. Again, guys, hit your live buttons. We appear to have a little bit of lag today. Remember, I now show my P&L at the end of the stream, so hang in there until the end to find out what my P&L is. That's when I find out what my P&L is. Thank you, JC. Good luck, Jake. Yeah, Jake swing trades. And Forex is a slower mover than futures. High date on Q is 0.79. That was a high GlobeX. We're about 30 points off of that. ES much further off of its. Oh, we're getting another bullish engulfing here. Not happy with it, but see if it sticks. Yeah, that is a thought for the future, actually, JC. Trades by Matt Ace. Now we're getting ready for another one here. I definitely. went away, went away. How about that? We're not getting ready for another one. Now he started again, I believe. He had taken some time off. Oh yeah, he buys his subscribers. Never seen his girlfriend. By the way, I will admit that when I get an engulfing candle that I really don't like, even though I let it take the trade, regardless of what happens, I do kind of root for it to go away before it triggers. Go away! Go away! Which is why it's good I had the bot entering order, because those are the ones I would hesitate on. Oh, here we're getting another one. Here we go again. Oh, went away. Wow, went away at the last second. And see, now that one, if I was doing manual order entering, I probably would have ended up entering on thinking it was going to be and having to make that split second decision. So having the bot enter the trade for me and then managing it after has been one of my better decisions, I think. This is fading down. Got all the way back up to 54. It's fallen by 20. Heading back down toward its EMA. 5 minute is right above its 100 EMA. Trying to use it as support. I don't know, Jake. I haven't dived that close into his personal life. Broke the 20. Quick. The 100 sitting there at 13.011. Will it break there? Did get a short signal there on the 5-minute. Not ready to play 5-minute signals yet. Trying to. Give me a purple candle here. We've got 50 seconds on it. We are hovering right above the 100 EMA, which is a scary idea. See what happens on this candle. We still got over 30 seconds. Getting the white circle of death, really? Anybody else getting a circle? I'm not seeing it on my phone. We're short. Five and a quarter point stop. Wow, really? Stop that. Dang it. Ooh, oops. It's been an up and down day. I'm going to be interested to see what my P&L is. I have no idea if I'm red or green. Looks like that's going to stop me and then try again. We're hovering right above the 100 EMA, which tends to act as support resistance at times. A lot of times. I have T-Mobile for phone service. I haven't tried anything else with it. The main reason I have T-Mobile is because I get MLB TV free. Big move back up here. We're about 30 minutes to go or so in the stream. See if we get any more trades. Got a bunch of trades today. It's been 10 trades today. Up and down. Thank everyone for hitting that like button today. Up above 30 likes. Love it, love it, love it. Appreciate it. It's kind of crawling up. Or it was. Pulls back. Just hanging around the 20. 13,024 area. Market's taking a breath. If I had to guess, I'll say down is where it wants to go. You see it came up, pulled back, then tried to come up again, and so far it's failed and is pushing back down. And I was wrong. Up it goes. Or at least trying to go up. That recent high there was 13,054, so still like 15 points away from that. Still slow movement now, right now. Send me a bullish engulfing there on the 5 that hangs right around its 100 EMA there. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot we had a Fed speaker at the top of the hour. I don't know. Obviously, it doesn't look like the market moved anything weirdly, so probably he must not have said much. Bored. Nope, don't see anything red on the Yep. Oh, 15 seconds. This might actually make or break my day depending on how this ends up. I don't know where my P&L is. I have a feeling I'm somewhere positive. Ooh, might go away. Nope, we're in. We're in like Flynn. Never understood that saying, but anyway. I don't know who Flynn is. Our target is 13.53 quarter. I don't like it. Which should be near that high of that previous candle there. One back here. There's some momentum. Nice momentum. Killed the momentum. Ouch. Got up to 50. That round number and got beat back down. Back to my entry. Ouch. I went 11 points my way and then pulled all the way back. Ow! Stopped. Damn. Stopped with slippage. A point and a half of slippage. That pretty much cements a red day for me, I'm pretty sure. And, of course, bounces back up. And we're falling. That candle right there kind of like yell, get out. Big wick. Back below the 20. Pushing down five straight red candles now. It's trying to send the engulfing candle back up here. If it stays above the 20, that is an entry candle. No, getting beaten down. And back down to the 100 and breaking it. See if we get a bounce. Yep, bounces off the 100. Let's see if it heads back up. Break. There's a break of the 100. So down, up, lower, high, rejecting down. My target was 53, and it got up to 50, and that was it. So missed the win by 3 points there. And it's falling back toward 13,000 even. Hanging right below that 20. It's just as I said earlier back here, I thought we're coming down, and we are. I was right. It just decided to move up a bit first. And maybe again, as it tries to get back above that 100. 10 minutes till P&L reveal. Back above the 20 again. ES is below its 20 and 100. That should have gave me an indication going long there was not the greatest idea. Because actually, well, it did send a blue candle at the same spot. It was above both at that time, so never mind. kind of fluctuating. It's trying to push up, but you can see it's doesn't have a lot of oomph. Now, showed a little bit of oomph there. Oomph, there it is. Oomph, there. Oh, sorry. And coming back down. If that candle finishes below the moving average, it's going to enter. Looks like it's going to. Not sure how I feel about that. Oh, it did not enter. Wow. It was within one tick of the moving average, but it did not trigger. You can see the line stayed white. Wow. So now we'll see whether or not how much that one tick mattered. See whether that would have been a 9-point stop, so I've been looking for a 13.5-point target. Basically, you can see it crawling back up, so I might have dodged a bullet. Let's see. Yeah, but I need a 13.5. Oh, maybe not. I didn't look like maybe up down to that 100. Let's see if we can get through it. Boom. Remember, this did not trigger because it was not below the 20. Actually, I had that in the wrong spot. Boom. There. Trying to break that 20. Remember, this is often a resistance point. I keep talking about these bounces, and here it broke but came back up. This would have been a good entry right here. That would have definitely been a winner. So I'm often wary about taking trades that need to break the 100 in order to be full profit. That said, this would have won if it had taken that trade. And you can see how it's trying to bounce right back up. It's okay, a quick gander at the 5-minute. Interesting. We got this is its 100. We got this short above the 20, breaking back down below the 100. Its 100. This would have been a huge stop. So if we ever start playing the 5-minute chart, it's going to have to be micros. And you can see 28, about a 28, 29 point stop, which means you need to get all the way down to about 975. Be an interesting thing to watch to see if it does. This purple candle would have failed, but this one would have been good. This was the no, this is the news candle, but this one would have been good. Of course, this is before I woke up, but good, good. It'll be interesting to see if that goes. It's struggling to break that 20 there now. It's interesting to watch the price action on different time frames. Okay, I'll review my P&L now. Let's look. It's a red day. So I'm down 65 gross and then another 44 in commissions. So I'm red by $109 today. Very small red compared to, the two big green days I've had the last 2 days. So just a small little blip. I traded my plan. And today it just, this, obviously has red days at times, and I'm okay with that. I mean, if I look at the actual trade progress, I can do that. Today, I consider myself. Oh, let's see. Generate. Yeah, by trades, according to NinjaTrader, I was up as much as $320 at one point. That's not including commissions, so looks like it was 5 wins, 6 losses. Yeah, only for an hour in the morning, John, until the market closes. Yep, blips are keeping small. Yeah, I honestly, I doubt I'll take a trade tomorrow. The only reason I'm streaming it is because it is non-farm payrolls, and that's fun to play, fun to watch at least. Then I'll probably take a nap afterwards. If non-farm payrolls wasn't happening tomorrow, I would probably just sleep in. See you tomorrow, John. They're open tomorrow until 9:15 Eastern. But gold and crude and all them are closed this afternoon and don't reopen until Sunday. Everything reopens normal time Sunday evening. Yeah, I have no complaints about the red day. That said, I need to turn the thing off before it takes that short. Watch, this short's gonna work because I'm calling it a day. Let's see if okay, it didn't hold. It's holding. I don't like this right here. This 100 EMA. You can see how it's come down, bopped up twice. A lot of testing I plan on doing over the weekend as well. Again, Yeah. So yeah, like the only thing that's open overnight and into the morning is the equities and the treasuries, I believe. I believe that's what I read on the CME website. That said, the CME website's confusing as heck. I hate the CME website calendar, I should say. You know, the website itself is okay, but their calendar sucks. Wow, look at that. Quick burst down there. Oh yeah, absolutely. Go into the holiday weekend with that excellent uh, those excellent wins today, John. Tomorrow's probably not gonna be worth trading at all. It's just gonna be fun to watch, and I'm used to getting up at that time of day anyway, so I'm also stream it. Basically, an NFP watch party. Welcome, Linux. You've arrived just as I'm about to leave. Yeah, if for any of you that are not going to join me for the hour tomorrow, make sure you have yourself a good holiday weekend. And that's where we are going to call for today. So, small red day after the last 2 days being big green. Probably, like I said, probably no trades tomorrow unless something really looks awesome. So, this is probably the end of the week for my stats, but we'll see tomorrow. We're going to stream for that hour and 15 minutes tomorrow. Have yourself a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow if you're around. If not, Monday. Bye, all. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.